welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning my microfiber couches. They are pretty disgusting. They have a lot of stains on them. I was doing some research to see what is the best way to clean microfiber couches. I know that it's a particular material, so you have to be kind of careful, but the two products that I kept coming across that everyone says does the best at cleaning microfiber couches is the Method glass cleaner, which I'm really shocked about, so we'll see how that does, and then also regular rubbing alcohol. So let's not waste any time. Let's just jump right into this. I will show you guys my couches and let's see which one does a better job cleaning. Like I said before, my couches are pretty dirty. You can see the stains all over them. I decided I was going to clean my couch with the Method glass cleaner, and then I will be cleaning my chair off with the rubbing alcohol so I can see which one does a better job. And this is my chair, and it has stains all over it just like the couch from I don't even know what, probably drinks or who knows what, something my daughter was touching. So like I said, I will be using the Method glass cleaner, a brand new sponge, a soft bristle brush to brush the fibers after I clean the couch, and then regular rubbing alcohol. Before I start cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off my couch and my chair just so I can make sure I get all the dirt and hair off so it has a better chance of cleaning up all the stains.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
I'm just spraying my couch pretty generously with the Method glass cleaner, and then I will be scrubbing it with the sponge.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Now I'm moving on to cleaning the chair. I switched to a different sponge, and again I'm just spraying it pretty generously with the rubbing alcohol, and then I will clean it with the sponge.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
There was some dirt that got picked up from the rubbing alcohol on the green sponge, and I don't see anything on the blue sponge from the Method glass cleaner, so we shall see. But it has been about 3 hours. Everything is all dry. Now I'm just taking a soft bristle brush and I'm just brushing the fibers back up to make it look nice again. And I must say I'm pretty impressed with the Method glass cleaner. I did not think it was going to clean it at all, but it definitely did a good job of getting all the stains out. It looks so much better. And on the other hand, I am not impressed with the rubbing alcohol. I definitely don't think it did a very good job. I still see a bunch of stains everywhere. So I would definitely say the Method glass cleaner is the winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you are new, and give this video a thumbs up if you like these videos.